Hi guys, it's Mary with the Boutique. And if you're looking for a single capsule to take for fish oil, then I recommend you to try the fish oil from Nature's Bounty. Give me the omega-3 that I need. It's 360 milligrams around for the omega-3. And I also like that it's just a single capsule. So it is smaller than a Pants cap. So it's not that big as it looks like. It's a soft capsule and you just have to take one. Usually when you're looking for fish oil, when I was looking for a fish oil, it just gave me the option small capsules, but there were usually 3 or 4 that I needed to take per dose. And I don't want to have to take that many pills. That's why I was looking for a different one that just have the option of having one, and this is why I found this fish oil. But this is just my point of view.